Today, we will talk about what next for Bitcoin and crypto in 2023. Will cryptocurrency soar, plummet, or tease investors along an unpredictable path for the foreseeable future? Will Bitcoin continue its volatility? Will regulation play a more significant role? Which type of cryptocurrency will be the best bet this coming year? There are as many predictions as there are analysts charting the future of cryptocurrency. Crypto continued its popularity in 2021. Crypto became accepted by Goldman Sachs. Coinbase debuted in April 2021, the first major crypto company to go public, and the first U.S. exchange-traded fund linked to Bitcoin launched in October. According to CNBC, the best-known cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, had a good year. The digital currency has been up nearly 70% since the start of 2021, driving the entire crypto market to a combined $2 trillion in value. Looking at the future of cryptocurrency, if the past is any indication, investors in cryptocurrency are in for an exciting ride. Some interesting crypto predictions to watch out for in 2022 include 1. Heading for a crypto crash or an exciting climb. Cryptocurrency prices could fall further in 2022. They leaped to a record high of almost $69,000 in November, but they are now below $50,000, down nearly 30% from its high. Carol Alexander, a Sussex University professor of finance, expects Bitcoin to plummet to a low of $10,000 in 2022, which would erase most of its gains in the past year and a half. Others don't see a crash in 2022. Yuya Hasegawa, a crypto market analyst at Japanese digital asset exchange BitBank, believes the most significant risk factor is quantitative tapering by the Fed. He thinks it has been decided and is probably priced in. Sayantani Sanyal reported that many factors point to higher Bitcoin prices, namely greater acceptance by businesses in higher demand from Bitcoin ETFs. In Analytics Insight, Sanyal says that market analysts predict that Bitcoin could hit USD $100,000 by the end of 2023, and others say it can climb to the mark in the first quarter of 2022. Others write that Bitcoin won't reach more than USD $70,000 by the end of 2022. In short, crypto predictions are all over the place. 2. A lot more investors will adopt Bitcoin. Crypto prediction. According to the Ascend, Rick Edelman, founder of the Digital Assets Council of Financial Professionals, predicts that more than 500 million people worldwide will own Bitcoin by the end of 2022. Cointelegraph, BlockFi co-founder Flory Marquez agrees, crediting regulatory clarity and improved understanding of the industry for helping drive greater adoption. 3. The first spot Bitcoin ETF could get approved. Some crypto investors predict that the first spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, ETF, in the United States could be approved this year, giving investors direct exposure to the cryptocurrency itself. The Securities and Exchange Commission allowed the launch of ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF last year, but that just tracks Bitcoin futures contracts. However, because the market is now large and mature enough to support it, analysts believe a Bitcoin spot ETF will be approved. 4. Moving toward decentralized finance, DeFi. Emerging crypto developments such as decentralized finance, DeFi, and decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, are likely to be the highest growth areas of crypto, believes Brian Gross, network steward at crypto platform ICHI. DeFi aims to recreate traditional financial products without middlemen, while DAOs could be considered a new internet community. Deposits into DeFi services surpassed $200 billion in 2021, and demand is expected to grow in 2022. Carol Alexander said that investors looking to make gains in smaller areas of crypto will want to watch Ethereum, Solana, Polkadot, and Cardano coins in 2022. CNBC reported that DeFi is part of a broader trend called Web3. Supporters of Web3 assert that online platforms are under the control of a few companies, such as Amazon, Apple, Alphabet, and Facebook's parent company Meta. Web3 calls for a new, decentralized iteration of the internet incorporating blockchain and non-fungible tokens. However, entrepreneurs such as Elon Musk and Jack Dorsey remain skeptical. 5. Regulators have their eye on cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency regulation is expected to be a key issue in 2022. Vijay Iyer, Vice President of Corporate Development and Global Expansion at crypto exchange Luno, predicts 2022 will be a big year on the regulatory front. Iyer told CNBC that he expects to see some clarification on the legal gray zone of cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin and Ethereum. Another area of regulator interest is likely to be stablecoins, which are tokens whose value is tied to the price of assets, such as the US dollar. Tether, the world's biggest stablecoin, appears controversial over whether it has enough assets in its reserves to justify being tied to the dollar. 6. Bitcoin will either outperform or underperform the S&P 500. Even with coronavirus threat to the global economy, both Bitcoin and the benchmark index showed impressive gains in 2021. Bitcoin vaulted 66%, and the S&P 500 climbed around 27%. Arcane Research said that Bitcoin has performed like a risk-on asset, and they predict it will amplify the behavior of the stock market. If the stock market increases in 2022, Bitcoin will likely outperform, the firm said. But if the stock market has a red year, Bitcoin will likely underperform. 7. Ether will outperform Bitcoin again. Ether outperformed Bitcoin in 2021, gaining 418% compared to 66% for Bitcoin. Analysts believe Ether will continue to do well because of the surge in NFT sales volumes. Most of these tokens still run on the Ethereum blockchain. 8. Most meme coins will disappear. Last year, a Dogecoin spin-off, Shiba Inu, climbed 44,540,000%. Squid, a coin named for the television drama Squid Game, jumped more than 75,000% in less than a week, only to disappear soon after. 9. USD coin will hurdle Tether as biggest stablecoin. Tether has held on to its reign as the largest stablecoin by cryptocurrency valuation. But it could be knocked off its perch once USD coin decides to join the lending wave. 10. VEX spikes impact Bitcoin performance. While the stock market performed well in 2021, Arcane Research said, fear in the broad financial markets directly affected Bitcoin's performance. Spikes in the VOA Volatility Index, or VEX, went in step with Bitcoin sell-offs. Arcane Research said market difficulties in 2022 could have repercussions for Bitcoin's short-term price trajectory. Past performance of the crypto market suggests 2023 will be a good year. The crypto market has been on a roller coaster in the past few years, with prices rising and falling quickly. Despite the volatility, however, it is undeniable that the crypto industry has shown tremendous growth in the past few years. Industry professionals are optimistic that this trend will continue into 2023, as past performance of crypto markets suggests that this will be a good year for virtual currencies. This bodes well for investors who have already been involved in the crypto markets and those who are just getting started. Analysts and market researchers have studied the performance of the cryptocurrency market since its inception and have concluded that the market is showing steady growth. This continued growth has led many to anticipate that 2023 will be a good year for the crypto industry as confidence in the technology increases and more businesses decide to adopt it. As more companies adopt blockchain technology, the need for skilled professionals to work in the sector will increase. This will create more job opportunities, which could foster further industry growth. The bear market will be over at the beginning of 2023. After a prolonged bear market in 2020, analysts and investors are optimistic that the crypto markets will rally in 2023. This positive outlook has been bolstered by the fact that the industry has managed to weather the storm and show signs of recovery even in difficult times. As such, investors and traders can look forward to improved performance in the coming year, which could lead to higher returns and increased liquidity. Moreover, more businesses will likely join the crypto ecosystem in 2023, driving the adoption of virtual currencies and blockchain technology even further. Will Bitcoin come back in 2023? It is impossible to predict the future of the crypto market with absolute certainty, but it is reasonable to assume that Bitcoin will come back in 2023. Blockchain technology will likely be further enhanced during this time, improving scalability and transaction speeds. This would likely lead to a resurgence in investor confidence and enable a market to regain momentum and reach new highs. Furthermore, the emergence of new technologies, such as decentralized finance, DeFi, could catalyze Bitcoin's recovery, making the asset even more attractive to investors and traders. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.